Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to take a look at Hive Left. They are a package bee hive that we put in on about April 7th, so a few weeks ago, and we want to take a look, see if they are doing okay, if they need a second brood chamber. Probably not, but we want to make sure. And then we're also going to feed them if they need it. Alright, let's go do this. I don't know if this thing's even recording, Josh. Huh? Used to have like, oh there it is. I was in the wrong spot. Alright, this is Hive Left. This is a new package Beehive hive that we installed around April 7th. So I'll have to do the math later on to see how long ago that was. Alright, Josh is going to open it up. Now before you open that jar, let's get that comb out of there.
Comb out of there?
Yep. We want to make sure the queen isn't on it. This will go into the melter.
Unfortunately, it's still outside. Oh, I thought it was.
That one's got a lot of pollen on it yet. Maybe on that one what we'll do is we'll go put it on the pallets over there. Let the bees rub that pollen out. And we'll put it on that.
I have one here.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, they're getting closer to needing another. They're on 2, 4, oh, they're on 5. They're on 5 like the other one. Again, kind of looking for the queen. Don't necessarily have to find her. Just need to make sure there's signs of her in here. Get nectar and pollen on this one. We're just starting that one. Got this one connected yet. It's full of fruit. It's cat brood. This is the frame that we put the queen cage on. So this is all comb that they've made. Oh, there's a queen.
Hey.
Forgot. this back in before we break it. And we can put this one back together. Alright. So all we do here, Josh, is just scoot this back over, put that frame back in.
That's good. A clean this here.
Yep. And then inner cover. Now on this one, put it down. Yep. And then slide it. Nope. Put it down. And then slide it gently forward. Gently. That'll knock the bees off that lip. And it's backwards. We want to have that in the front.
That would be not possible for me.
And then you want to, of course, pre-drip it. Quiet. Right. Just kind of wiggle. Just kind of wiggling its way over. What's your problem? Darn goof. Alright, and put the box back on it. Now again, you're going to want to put it down short of the beginning and then just kind of slide it over. You don't want to kill anybody. Alright, and then the cover.
Oh.
Getting smoked out?
Yeah.
Not on yet. There you go. And a brick.
I think use the Piper.
All right, so that's laying left. They're building up. Found the queen, found eggs, and I found a lot of brood. They are not ready yet for a second deep. We'll give it some time. All right, that's going to be it for this hive. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give me one. Do you know what else is super cool? Subscriptions? Yep, you're right. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. It's greatly appreciated. If you haven't, well, right now is a good time to scroll down, click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell next to it, and you're good to go. All right. As always, thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.